Thutha wa ruhonge rwa riera gukorwo makianirira ati bururi wa Kenya niutanyitwo gukorwo ukiamukira mbura ino ya Elnino. Riu kaunti ya Nairobi ni makianiriire imwe ya mitaratara yao ya gukorwo magithemana na hathara iria yumanaga na mbura kana ingiumana na mbura ta ino, makitariria imwe ya mitaratara iria makiarire ya gukorwo matigirira ati kana ni makionoria maai ma kiguo.Akialia hiingo ya uruguria wa mihango ino, gabana wa kaunti ino niwe Sakaja ni akiugite ati aria maikaraga nyumba-ini citakiakitwo na mithingi mirumu ni magukorwo magithamio. Ningi ni akirutire mikana kuri ene kandarathi aria magitabanagia waki wa nyumba ici matari na kihariro, akimera ati ni magukorwo magitacukirio makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
Before we solve a problem, we must understand it. To understand it, we must name its causes clearly and briefly. Our drainage problems have 5 main causes. Firstly, Nairobi has grown and keeps growing quickly. That means we haven't had time to plan buildings as well as we should have. So we find not just that the buildings are full, but that even in places where flooding is not expected, we've had collapse of buildings because they're not up to standard. Earlier on, a few months ago, together with Waziri Zak, when we had buildings collapsing in Kiambu County as well as Kasarani, we went together and we had a meeting with the building inspectorate and the departments under the Ministry of Lands, and we instructed the building inspectorate to conduct a survey of unsafe buildings in Nairobi. We have received the report, and one of the actions we'll take in some of those buildings that cannot be brought back to standard, the ones that are irreparably, structurally in default, we will have to move people during this season. And we're asking those in the built industry, contractors, developers, please don't take shortcuts. Usijaribu ati unanunua simiti fake ama utumile chuma inafaa.
Na guku bururi wa Kenya ukinyitanire na thĩ yothe hari ukungwiri wa muthi